What are you watching?
Baby guy. Hope you love to do it too.
You happy? Should we turn left or right? Let's turn right. Heavy traffic ahead.
What is that?
Ah, yan pala yung ano mo, accent mo.
Baby Jay, you're in Spain.
Yan na mismo.
Hello, sunflower sun.
Kaya pala water, I need your water. Like that?
Yeah. Okay.
Baby Jake, not Jake.
Baby Jake. It's Captain Spacey and
What time is it?
Or Jakey. They're ready for tea.
Yeah, policeman.
Hello, everyone. Flipping the lights. See? A planet's made of honey.
Oh, planets daw. What are the planets hidden? Planet number 1.
Maybe it's
Huh? Yeah,
Mercury.
Mercury. No, the Mercury, second planet.
Venus.
Venus. Third planet,
It's Earth.
Earth. Fourth planet,
Fourth planet. It's Mars.
Mars. Fifth planet,
It's Jupiter.
sixth,
I think it's Saturn.
seven,
Uranus.
eight.
It's Neptune.
Napakagaling mo. Talo mo pa kami. Napaka-smart ng aking baby. How about Pluto? Where's the Pluto?
But that's it. It's a planet.
It's not a planet anymore.
It's a planet.
It's the 9th planet before when I was young. But now scientists said Pluto is not a planet anymore because it's too small.
Please.
Okay. Pero hindi na daw yun. Kaya 8 planets na lang. 9 yun dati. Yun pa naman favorite ng mga bata, Pluto.
What is the hottest planet?
It's Pluto. It's a Pluto planet.
Oh, what is the nearest planet from the sun?
It's Neptune.
What is the hottest planet?
But the Neptune is here. And the 8 planets are out. Because the next is Pluto.
Pluto. What is the biggest planet?
It's Jupiter.
Jupiter is made of what?
Gas.
Oh, galing talaga. Made of gas.
Yeah, and
Alam mo talaga.
and the Jupiter, there's a God. And God.
Huh?
The Jesus have a God.
Alin?
Jupiter.
Anong meron?
It's a red spot.
Ah, there's a red spot in the Jupiter.
Yeah.
That is storm, no? That red spot is a storm.
Yeah, it's a tornado.
Tornado?
Yeah, tornado.
Galing mo naman. Maging scientist ka.
Yeah. Bill. Wanna be.
Ano ba yung may ring na Earth? Ah, na Pluto na planet?
Vegetable patch adventure.
Oh.
Time for an adventure. Doggy.
Say then. Anong planet yung may ring?
My baby Jay.
Ring.
What?
Anong planet yon yung may ring? May ring.
Uranus and Saturn.
Ano?
Uranus and Saturn.
Oo nga pala, no? Meron nga pala yung Uranus, no?
And Neptune.
Neptune.
Yeah.
Meron din?
Yeah.